Hi, Felicity from Hip Kits with a Project Life page using the, where I'm up to, February Hip Kit Club Project Life. Oh, did I get that all mixed up today? I probably did. Anyway, guys, I hope you understand what I'm saying. Hello. I hope you're all doing well. So, here we go. This kit and the exclusive cards I love, and some of you guys, if you follow me either on my YouTube channel or follow my blog, would know that I love Project Life. Project Life is something that I've done now for quite a few years, and my concept of Project Life is more along the lines of not so much documenting it on a daily or a weekly basis, but it's kind of nearly a month by month thing. Because what I have is an album each for my 3 kids, which you can see there, Bray, Piper and Noni, and they each have an album. So what I do is pretty much document their month. So this page here is going into my middle child Piper, which you can see there in the black and white photo on the right, into his page. Because that's actually a photo of him at school. And these are a couple of other photos. This page is all dedicated to him at school. A lot of things happened in the first term of school this year. So I truly wanted to make sure that I've got it documented for him, because I can guarantee come next term, come the end of the year, I'm going to forget. It's just how my brain works. So documenting a Project Life, it saves my brain, I suppose, especially when, I had him actually come and say earlier in the term, Mum, I need a baby photo. I'm like, oh, right. And I knew that it was in his Project Life album. So I actually went and I just pulled out the 4x6 Project Life card, and I said, here's your baby photo. Because all the details were there. There's the details that you need. Don't lose it, because I sent it to him straight out of the Project Life page, and now I've got a gap, but I know it'll come home. But that's the great thing about Project Life, and that's what I love, is a lot of the kids in particular learn about their families, their milestones, they learn about celebrating, they learn about traditions and things as a family, and what we did and do, even with Easter coming up. So to me, it's just great that I just turn straight to their albums and I can grab it out. But not only that, the kids love their Project Life albums. And my son, Piper, he actually saw this finished because I said, here's another one to put in your album. And they get so excited because it's about them and it's something for them. So that's probably why I just really, really enjoy Project Life. It's something special for me as well. Not only is it time out, but it's doing it for the kids, not just for me. But then also it will be for me, because when I'm in a nursing home, can't remember a thing, just grab your album and my memory's done. So love it. But when it comes to Project Life, you can see here, I have no, I have no rhythm. I have no criteria. I don't follow anything. I just grab my card out, grab my embellishments, and I just put on pretty much whatever I feel helps tell the story of that photo. Journaling, I don't always journal, you can see on the front, but I actually go back and I put my journaling on the reverse of the card, which was the same as when Piper took his baby photo to school. His details of his birth was all on the back of the card, because I have no room to put all my journaling on the Project Life card. So yeah, it's pretty cool. But yeah, I just use my supplies and I just go with it. And the great thing about the Project Life kit from Hip Kits is that if you're using the kit, it's going to flow. Your page is going to flow because you're using embellishments, you're using colors, you're using cards that all go together, that all coordinate, so it's all done for you. And that's the great thing about when I do Project Life. I don't have to think about it. Is this going to flow? Are these colors going to go together? Because it's all done for you. And that's what I love about, the kit, is that it's all done. And I think this is where my stapler might do its thing here. My stapler goes weird here at some point, and I don't cut too much out of my videos because I just leave them how it is. It's just me and how I create. Now you can see that I added in some of the spray, which is from the color kit. Now any normal person would probably cover up their words or their photo or whatever before they put spray down. I don't. So if that bothers you, turn away, don't look, close your eyes because I'm terrible. But it doesn't bother me. It's just how I work. And here you can see with the February card, I layer cards. And you can see that's a 4x6 February card, and that's a 3x4 card that I layer on top. And then I just layer more and more pieces because I love being able to not only use exclusive cards, but in a way you're creating your own, which truly helps the whole flow of your page. So that's another great thing about it. Is what I do here is just create the whole thing from embellishments and cards, and it's so fun. Yeah, and these are, I think, are a couple of bits and pieces from the embellishment kit here. But here I am stifling through, finding more stuff. Not stuff, pretty things, shall we say. But anyway, guys, I'm coming to the end. I've got photos towards the end of the finished project. And I hope that you've enjoyed it, and it does inspire you to document your memories because they last for a lifetime. Freeze them. If you can only do one project card a week, so be it. But yes, thanks guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.